Good morning. Myself, Sachin Bhosle. Welcome to Virtual International Conference, Retaking higher Education in the Post-Pandemic World. The 16th Anniversary India-Japan Fest, Beacon Bihani Conference 2021. Now, my topic is my topic is artificial intelligence application for COVID pandemic. Actually, starting with this lecture, first I'm introduce myself. I'm Sachin Bhosle, working in ICS College of Art, Science, Commerce, head of the department, BSc Information Technology, MSc Information Technology. I have completed, I have written 5 books in Mumbai University syllabus. Also, I have published approximate 76 research article in various conference, seminars, and research publications. These are my short biodata. Um, I have awarded in 2 state level award different agencies. Now, today we will discuss about artificial intelligence AI application for the COVID. In short, in my today's lecture, I will explain in short the expert system are the computer application developed to solve a complex problem in particular domain at the level of extraordinary human intelligence. Exercise after that discussion the characteristic of expert system using knowledge engineering designing the process expert system and knowledge engineering process defined domain expert knowledge engineering expert system, then discuss the human enrollment in expert system, some benefits of expert system, limitations expert system, explain application of expert system, relation with the role based expert system, how can define the complete structure of a rule-based expert system. Also, define expert system mistakes. Also, we can define the compromise of expert system with conventional system and human experts. Then define the course outcome objective of the expert system. What are the innovation in medical and biosociology, engineering? After that, we come use artificial intelligence in machine with virtual branch. Also discuss benefit of artificial intelligence in medical field. The physical branches of artificial intelligence in medical. What are the growth and drivers of AI in healthcare, positional and provisional and features in Indian scenario. Then we discuss about a current scenario about using AI to help combat of COVID-19. This is my today's topic. In that topic, I will explain through PPT. Artificial intelligence means AI application for the COVID pandemic. First, I introduce myself I'm working with Mumbai University, ICS College of Science, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. learning means what are the outcome, means what is the outcome of AI. In that chapter, actually, I'm working with the educational institute. That's why I'm divided in AI, different chapter. In that chapter, we will learn expert system in architecture along with the application. You will also learn application expert system, learn about truth maintenance system. In that system, what is the expert system? These are the basic diagram. The expert system are a computer application developed to solve a complex problem, particular domain at the level of extraordinary human intelligence and experience. Human expert, knowledge engineering, knowledge base, interface engineering, using user interface, and user may be or may not be expert. Next slide, characteristic of expert system: high performance, understandable, reliable, highly responsive, knowledge base, interface engineering, use interface. These are the diagram of my chain expert system: user pattern, query, advice, query, user interface, interface engineering, knowledge base, and human experience. These are the attribute of that expert system. Knowledge engineering means what? The process of building an expert system. The knowledge engineering established a dialogue with human express, extract knowledge. A knowledge engineering codes a knowledge exactly in a knowledge base. The expert evaluating the expert system at given cities knowledge of engineers. Next, in that next slide, knowledge engineering. It is a in that figure we shown that the domain expert, knowledge engineering expert, system. These are the knowledge systems expert. Human level expert system involve the exploring the system. Knowledge engineers, user, knowledge engineers, expert, existing system, and users. These are the flow of the human exploring the system, and these are the system to develop that system engineering expert system. These are the knowledge questions, testing and verification in existing system, developing code, testing, user, and different knowledge engineers. Then next slide, we will learn about benefit of the expert system. Invoke the discussion with quality cut, the express the consulting expert of problem solving. It solve a fast and effect solution of the problem in narrow area of specialization. It can be greater secret expertise and use it efficiently. Offer consent answer for the respective problem, maintenance and significant level of information. Help you the get fast adventure answer, appropriate expression, expectation, and discussion making. Ability solve problem, challenges issue. Expert system can work stabilizing work without getting emotional. Next slide, we will discuss about limitations of expert system. Unable to make a creative responsibility, extraordinary situation, and error in knowledge base can be lead a wrong decision. It maintenance cost and expert system is too expensive. Each problem is defective. Thereafter, the solution from the human expert. can also different and more creative. Next slide, we will learn application of expert system, information management, hospitality and medical facility, help desk management, employee performance evaluation, loan analysis, virus detection, useful repairing and maintenance project, warehouse optimization, planning and scheduling, conference manufacture, conference and manufactured object, and financial decision making, knowledge publishing, processing, monitoring and control, supervise the operation of plant in control, stock market, rule based. Next, we will discuss about rule based expert system. Knowledge based, these are the diagram, rule based system, knowledge based rule, if and then, it is a looping, interface engineering, fact. Also, it is in fact is work on database, interface engineering, explanation facilities, user interface, and last one the user. Next, complete structure of rule-based expert system. These are the basic structure. We will discuss about it. External database, external program, fact, interface, and there are the two interface: user interface, developer interface, and then user access the data and information. Knowledge engineering and expert. There are two interface to communicate with him. Characteristic of expert system. In expert system, a built performance a human expert level in narrow specialized domain. Thus, the most important characteristic of expert system is a high quality performance, no matter how fast the system can solve the problem. The user will not be satisfied if the result wrong. On the other hand, the speech reaching situation is very important. Even most actual decision in this discussion may not be useful if it too late. Apply the interface is an emergency. When a patent dies, a nuclear power plant explodes. Sorry. Next, expert system apply a horizontal to guide the reasons. These are reducing the search area of solution. A unique features of expert system, explanatory capability is the enable experts system to review its own reason and explain its discussion. Expert system employ a symbolic reasoning. When solving a problem, symbols are used represent different types of knowledge, such as the fact concept of rule. Can expert system make a mistake? Even a brilliant expert is only a human, and thus can make mistakes. This suggestion suggests that the expert system built or perform at human expert level also should be allowed to make mistake, but still trust expert your reasons, sometimes wrong. Likewise, at least most case we can really is solution provide expert system, but mistake are possible and we should be aware of this. Next, in next slide, we will learn about expert system knowledge separate from its processing. The knowledge base and interface engineering are a split up. The conventional program is an McTuner of knowledge and control structure to process this knowledge. And also the max of lead to difficult understanding, reviewing the program code as any changes code affect both knowledge of process. When an expert system shall use a knowledge engineering or expert system shall use knowledge engineering or an expert simply in entry rule of the knowledge base each are expert system. In that slide, many slides are different. Human expert, what are the human expert doing, what are the system expert doing, and conventional program. This table shown that types of data. You can see that in medical consultancy in COVID situation, AI is the most important part, and also it is a consulting. These are the different hypotheses written, right line input. These types of coding working with AI, and these are the objective of the AI. In medical, we will learn about the medical terms, what are the different work, uh, hyper variable current practices, guideline, like very valuable experiences, medicines, treatment. These are the different tracks work on the machine learning. These are the working with machine learning and AI. Actually, this part combinedly work with machine learning and AI. In cooperative machine learning and derivative AI, machine learning in that way. Invention in medical biological engineering. These are the in 50s early X-ray, kidney, artificially cardiac program. These are the how develop the AI in different medical biological engineering. Biological engineering, how to develop that uh, uh, topic in that medical area. In that, we will advance in new generation of medical technology product are combined with different technology, which lead a cross border between traditional categories of medical products such as medical devices, pharmaceuticals products, and humans. These are the information technology, creative, nanotechnology, biological science, and material science. These are the different part of that conventional problem, conventional topic. In that COVID situation, we are the AI using a different virtual branches, physical branches, high quality work, employment, doctor, more, uh, help more, faster more than calculator argument, offer than expert as in replacing management and devices. These are the different part. Artificial intelligence in medical virtual branches, there are different medical virtual branches in COVID situation. There are the, in that figure, we will use AI in COVID pandemic situation. These are the benefits of medical terminology in artificial intelligence in the 24 by 7 symptoms outcome diagnosis. These are these instrument using that that time COVID pandemic. These are the artificial intelligence in machine, the physical branches, just like a physical objective, medical devices, symptom robots. We are working with robots, different robots in COVID pandemic. These are the use robot deliver treatment, robotic treatment. These are the terminology in medical science using AI. Automatically, you can lifting the patient. Automatically, you can give the medicines. You can circulate the different types of database. You can access the previous database which using AI, and these are the different technology with AI in using in COVID pandemic. Pandemic challenges, these are the different challenges: data exchange, data delivery, data security, and state filter, sure requirement, and also we are using this particular system. Features of Indian scenario. These are the firewalls, IPR, funding, medical records. These are the scenario of futures Indian COVID pandemic. These are the different brief AI, policy brief in AI. These are the this figure shown the artificial intelligence is used in AI and COVID-19 is a crash management framework. These are the published by one of the agencies. This will be conducted. This is my short explanation. If you have any problem, you can contact me that in that email ID. It is a I will explain in detail. If you have any research in regarding that topic, I will cooperate with you. Thank you. Thank you very much.